In the last video, we talked about part one of our brand process, and that was discovery. Discovery is really where we nail down who we are and who we want to serve. In this video, part four, we're going to be talking about the results of that process for our brand. We've worked with a ton of different types of clients over the years, and we've loved working with all of them. The thing is, when it comes to branding, the narrower the focus, the stronger the brand. With our sister company, Defender, we've had that clear focus. High quality recruiting content for law enforcement and first responders. But with BIC, we realized we really needed to take the time to narrow down what our target customers should be. So after a lot of conversations and research, here's what we landed on. Manufacturing, aerospace, and gray collar service providers. Okay, so here's what we mean by that. The best way to explain our focus on the manufacturing side would be problem solvers building things. We want to work with manufacturers who are building equipment, specialty vocational vehicles, tools, as well as the more high-tech products and pushing the boundaries of what technology can do. Then there's the gray collar service providers. Gray collar really being kind of a blend of blue collar and white collar, people that have their roots in the ground but run their own business, serving people, making the world turn. And finally, we have aerospace. The aerospace market is something that is a bit newer for us, but it's something that our whole team is really excited about. None of us have pilot's licenses yet, but we've had the chance to get our feet wet in this industry, and it's something that we're really excited to be able to bring some outside the box ideas into. This would include aircraft completion and service centers, airports, flight enthusiasts, etc. Now, this doesn't mean that it's set in stone for all of eternity or that we will stop working with our clients in other industries. But what it does mean is we now have a new focus for our brand moving forward, and that really helps us to know exactly what the look and feel of our brand should be. Now, this video is already pretty long, so in the next video, I'm going to show you guys what we've been exploring for the visual look and feel of our brand. Stay tuned.